Have you noticed that in Nigeria today, everybody claims they are making money online? But when you check the reality, only a few people are actually earning sustainable income. Today, I'm breaking down what truly works in 2025, what to avoid, and the honest truth nobody is telling you. Welcome to MLM Income Learning Network, where we empower Nigerians and people all over the world to learn, earn, and grow online. Is this your first time watching? Smash that like button so more people can get exposed to real, honest online income information, not fake screenshots and hype. Let's dive in. The biggest lie about making money online right now in Nigeria. Here's the truth. Online income works, but it takes time before it takes off. Most Nigerians believe 2 weeks is enough to make profits. 1 month, you can make a breakthrough, but no result means it doesn't work. But real online income follows a real pattern. For example, 1 to 3 months is where you learn and experiment. 4 to 6 months, when you make your first real earnings. 6 to 12 months is your consistency and scalable income period. Comment, I'm ready to learn, if you are serious about making money online 2025. What actually works in 2025? 6 legit online income models. Number 1, remote skills. Those are high income skills. Copywriting, UI or UX, virtual assistance, video editing, data analysis, social media management. Nigerians are getting paid globally because companies want talent at competitive rates. Income range is between 250,000 naira to 1 million naira per month. Comment, skill me up if you want a full guide. Number 2, digital products. This is one of the fastest growing online income streams. You can sell ebooks, courses, Canva templates, checklists, guides, or Notion files. Create once and sell forever. Comment your digital product idea below. Number 3, affiliate marketing. You simply promote other people's products and earn commissions. Platforms for these include Expertnaire, Stake Cut, Learnify, SaaS platforms, Amazon ebooks and courses. Comment Affiliate 2025 if you want tutorials on this. Number 4, content creation. Faceless included. 2025 content opportunities include TikTok, YouTube, Facebook monetization, Reels bonuses, UGC, faceless niche channels. You no longer have to show your face to earn. Comment faceless content for me if this is your route. Number 5, freelancing. Platforms to find clients are Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn, People Per Hour. Nigerians are landing international gigs more than ever before. Comment your skill and I'll tell you how to monetize it. Number 6, network marketing. Ethical, modern, and digital. Network marketing is powerful when done ethically and digitally, not the old school way of begging people or chasing family members. Legit network marketing means real products, real commission, real training, real duplication, digital onboarding, content-led attraction, WhatsApp automation, ethical team building. Income range: small at first but becomes strong when residual income kicks in. Comment NM 2025 if you want a deep video on ethical network marketing. What gurus never tell you about online income. 1. Visibility matters. If nobody knows what you do, nobody will pay you. 2. You must choose a path first. Jumping from hustle to hustle equals zero results. 3. You get paid for solving problems, not for wanting money. Comment Focus 2025 if you are done jumping around. The 2025 blueprint for making money online in Nigeria. Step 1. Pick one income model. Freelancing, content creation, network marketing, affiliate marketing, or digital products. Choose one first. Comment your chosen path below. Step 2. Learn quickly. Practice immediately. Avoid long courses. Learn small and apply fast. Step 3. Build digital visibility. In 2025, visibility equals money. Show your work. Share your progress. Give value consistently. Step 4. Start small, scale big. Charge low as a beginner and improve and raise your prices. Comment no more free work in 2025. Here are some scams to avoid. Double your money platforms, fake crypto mentorship, Forex miracle groups, MLM with no real products, screenshot millionaires, WhatsApp DM investors. If it sounds too good to be true, it is. Comment, warn them if you know someone who fell for a scam. The final online money truth for 2025. Yes, you can make real money online in 2025 here in Nigeria, but only if you pick a lane, deliver value, stay consistent, build visibility, practice patience, learn daily, and improve steadily. If you stay consistent by December 2025, your life will not look the same. Comment 2025 is my money year. If you want immediate tutorials on any of these income streams, especially network marketing, comment below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next episodes. Remember, this is MLM Income Learning Network, where we empower Nigerians and everyone in the world to learn, earn, and grow online. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.